sense. I can't feel this way much longer, expecting to survive. With all this hidden innuendos just waiting to arrive. It's such a wavy midnight, and you slip into insane. Let's get into rock and roller. I hear what you're playing. It's an orangey sky. Always it's some other guy. It's just a broken lullaby. Bye, bye, love. Bye, bye, love. Bye, bye, love. Bye, bye, love.
That's me, Rick. Even though I'm from Arizona, I still consider myself a surfer. Hey Mom, I won that surf contest today down at the wave pool.
That's great, Rick.
I won $500.
Oh, great. You could put that towards your tuition for next
I'm gonna go out to the West Coast and go surfing.
Yeah, but you should save that money for school.
No. But I wasn't gonna let my mom bring me down. I'm 18 now. I wanna go travel like everyone else.
Well, what are you going to do when you're older? You can't be a surfer all your life.
Stop planning my life.
You're going to be sorry, Rick. You're really going to be sorry. There'll become a time when all your friends are graduating and look at you. You'll be surfing.